Spanish with Jessica Diaz, Regular IR Verbs. In Spanish, verbs must be conjugated to reflect the subject of a sentence. Regular IR verb conjugations follow the same pattern. First, you would drop the IR at the end of the verb and then add an ending that goes with the subject. On the left, you can see all the regular IR verb endings. The verb endings in the first column are for singular subjects, such as I, you, he, and she. The verb endings in the second column are for plural subjects, such as we, they, or you all. The first row is for first-person subjects, such as I or we. The second row is for second-person subjects, such as you. And the third row is for third-person subjects, such as he, she, or they. It is worth mentioning that many of the IR verb endings are the same as ER verb endings, except in the nosotros and the vosotros forms. On the right side, you'll see how to conjugate the verb vivir. You drop the IR ending and replace it with an ending that reflects the subject. Yo vivo, I live. Tú vives, you live. Él vive, he lives. Ella vive, she lives. Usted vive, you formal live. Nosotros vivimos, we live. Nosotras vivimos, we feminine live. Vosotros vivís, y'all live. Vosotras vivís, y'all feminine live. Ellos viven, they live. Ellas viven, they feminine live. Ustedes viven, you all live. You would use the same method to conjugate any regular IR verb, such as abrir, to open, escribir, to write, imprimir, to print, recibir, to receive, subir, to climb. Now let's check out 5 sentences that will help us understand how to use regular IR verb conjugations. First, I open the store every morning. I is first person singular, so the verb should end in O. So the translation is, Yo abro la tienda cada mañana. Second, you write letters to your pen pal. You is second person singular, so the verb should end in ES. So the translation is, Tú escribes cartas a tu amigo por correspondencia. Third, he prints out his homework every night. He is third person singular, so the verb should end in E. So the translation is, Él imprime su tarea cada noche. Fourth, we receive fresh donuts every morning. We is first person plural, so the verb should end in IMOS. So the translation is, Nosotros recibimos donas frescas cada mañana. Our fifth and last example sentence is, They climb the stairs. They is third person plural, so the verb should end in EN. So the translation is, Ellos suben las escaleras. Thanks for watching Spanish with Jessica Diaz, Regular IR Verbs, brought to you by Learning with Jessica Diaz. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, be sure to subscribe.